Good day everyone. Today I will be showing you how to unlock this Tecno T529. I find it difficult to use Miracle, but I have another software that is due and straightforward for you guys. Please, I would like you to follow this video step by step so that you can get what we want to do on it. Now, as you can see, I want to unlock it by inputting my password and it's telling me wrong password. Let me try it again. As you can see, wrong password. How to get rid of this, that's what we want to talk about today. Now open your Miracle, select, it's either you select format or read unlock code. So I'm going to select read unlock code and try this one in the first place. Now I'm trying to connect it. It's like the charging point is getting problem, but let us keep on try and see. So click on start button, remove the battery, start again, then connect your cable. I'm so sorry, I'm using one hand for this. I use my second hand to hold the camera while the other hand to insert the stuff, so just bear with me. Look at it now, it has connected but giving me an error. So let's try it once again. So I remove the battery and try again. Let's see what will happen. I've connected the cable. Now you see it's giving us the same error. It is time for us to go to the particular software that I'm talking about. I will give you the link in the description below, and make sure you comment in my comment section, and make sure you also like my video, share it with friends. This is where we are going to get rid of this problem. Just tap on format and select reset to factory default. Make sure you disconnect your battery and insert it again, and also connect your cable like this. Wait and see. Done. Now let's power the phone on and see whether the code has been removed or not. Remove the battery and insert it again. Now power it on to check whether the password is still there or not. Please, I want you to do a favor for me. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, then like my video, comment, share with friends. I believe by now everything is solved. So make sure you like my video. Like I said, bye for now.